Tired of scheduling headaches when managing workplace moves, work orders, and other processes? What if you could automate date selection based on location or other data points, saving time and avoiding scheduling conflicts? In this video, I'll show you how to use FMS Workplace to configure smart calendar rules with simple drag and drop controls. Stick around to see how you can streamline move requests with just a few clicks. With FMS Workplace, calendar rules are configurable via a web page with easy drag and drop options. They can be uniquely configured for each specific form view, but the calendar rules are also easy to reuse across multiple form views as well. Rules can be applied conditionally based upon multiple criteria, such as the user's data or form options selected. For instance, in my example, I will show two different rules applied based upon the location that the user selects to move to. Calendar rules can be overridden by designated roles, such as an admin user, to permit date values outside the predefined rules. Now we will see how to configure a sample move request form view shown on the right with the calendar rules system administration page shown on the left of your screen. Begin by clicking the Add button, type in your rule label and rule description for the new rule that we'll create. In this example, we'll do Monday, Wednesday with a 5 days lead time. Click the Save button, and now we can edit the new rule that's been created. There's multiple available rules that can be combined in conjunction together to make your full set of rules. A preview of the rules will be displayed above so you can see what dates are blacked out or not available. You can block out specific weekdays, and you can also combine that with your lead time. And again, you'll see previews of days available. And keep in mind, some of those may come into the next month, so you can click ahead to see that as well. Save your changes once you're ready to commit them. Next, we'll click to make another rule for Tuesday, Thursday. And we'll repeat the same process, just changing the days available to Tuesday, Thursday instead of Monday, Wednesday. Now that we have our rules created, let's go and modify our view so that we can see those changes take effect. We can go to the Move Management module, Modify View, select a new Move Request view that we would like to change. And here we'll go to the Move Request Details tab and select the Date field. This date field is shown on the right. If you look to the right, you'll see Schedule Move Date, and we're going to apply some calendar rules to this field, and you'll see those take effect. Keep in mind it does have lead time, so that's why we have to select into the next month. If we'd like to add conditional rules, we can come here to this extra screen where we begin to configure that. Type in the description you would like, and then select the criteria for that. In this case, I'm going to say New York will be on Monday, Wednesdays, and after that, we will select New Jersey for Tuesday, Thursdays. Now that we've saved our changes, let's refresh our new move request form view. We'll click on the schedule move date. We can see the general rule in effect with some lead time. Next, I'll change the two-room location. I will select a New York location first, and you'll see the Monday, Wednesday dates available. And now I'll select a New Jersey location, and you'll see Tuesday, Thursday dates available. So that is a quick introductory example of how easy it is to configure date field rules. And these can be configured in the same way across any other date fields in the system, including in other form views and modules. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Check back for our next tips and tricks where we expect to continue to show more details that may include some advanced configuration solution examples including date range drop-down selection fields with an allowable end date based upon the start date selected by the user. Also, discrete calendar days that are based upon the current date. For example, only allowing the next 10 days to be available from today's current date. This is different than the lead days previously shown, which might exclude a certain number of days and is a more common standard rule available.